back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna show you what all I did to pack those wedding gifts we all usually give to our in-laws or family or friends. Or so these all are the things which we have bought for my bhabhi and we're gonna gift it to her on her wedding day. So I just tried to decorate it in a good way so it looks nice in photographs and all stuff. I'm not at all pro or not at all expert in these things. I just watched some of the YouTube videos and made a my version of it. It's very easy and very affordable for sure. I got all the decorative items from Bhuleshwar Market, Mumbai. So if you are interested in watching this video, then please keep on watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. To pack footwears, I bought this tray which comes with this net thingy, and you can easily find this for around 200 rupees. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stick double side tape on the footwear. And then I'm gonna place it the way I want onto the tray. Like so. Then I'm just gonna cover this entire thing and tie it with a lace or anything you like. For sarees, I bought this simple golden cover which can contain only one saree in per cover. So I bought this simple cover and I'm gonna decorate it a bit with a decorative flower, which are again very easily available everywhere in the local market, especially during the festival seasons. So I bought this golden decorative flowers and I'm gonna stick it onto the cover, and then it looks so nice. For heavy saris or something special like Gujarati garjoras, I thought of adding a little bit extra to it. So I'm just sticking this lace onto the three sides of it, and then I'm gonna place a bigger decorative flower on it, so it will look even much nicer and heavier in terms of decoration. For makeup and stuff, I bought this pouch which has solid side all over it. And this pouch itself is very decorative as it's in golden color. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take things one by one and put a double tape or a sticky tape to it, and I'm gonna stick it the way I want. Again, to decorate it even more, I'm gonna place a decorative flower over it. can do the same with jewelries and other stuff if we like. So I did the same with jewelry, bangles and all the stuff. So that's all I did for decorating these gifts. I hope this was helpful for some of you. I didn't do anything extra or something, very special. It's just the normal basic thing you get around your home, you around your market. So it's very affordable too. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye bye.